Hello everyone, welcome in my YouTube channel SureClaim Legal. So in this video, I am going to be talking personal injury lawyers near me. Yes, this is the very common topic that a person is searching for lawyers and for any other works. So this topic contains more value at current time. So if you are finding a lawyer near me, like you are searching lawyer near me, so, a complete guide to find the right legal representation in 2026. So, finding the right personal injury lawyer can be crucial step when dealing with a aftermath of an accident or injuries. Whether it's a car crash, workplace incident, or a medical negligence, having the right legal representation can make legal difference in your compensation and peace of mind. In 2026, the legal landscape has become more competitive and client focused, making it even more important. Choose wisely. So, here we can see how what do personal injuries lawyer do? Personal injury lawyer is specialized in representing individual who have been harmed due to someone else's negligence. Their primary goal is to ensure clients receive fair compensation for their losses. Key responsibilities are at here: uh, ni- investigating the accident or incident, collecting evidence and witness statements, negotiating with insurance companies, representing clients in court if necessary, calculating damages. Okay, why hiring a personal injury lawyer matters? Many people underestimate the complexity of personal injury cases without legal elegance guidance. You may end with less compensation than you deserve. Here you can see the benefits of hiring a lawyer. Now, types of personal injury cases. Not all personal injury cases are the same. Different lawyer may specialize in different areas. Yes, areas. Now, key factors of consider when choosing a lawyer. Experience in a specialization. Look and for lawyers who specialize in personal injury law and have years of experience in handling similar cases. Track record of success. A strong history of successful settlement and verdicts incident indicates reliability. Client reviews and testimonials. Check online reviews to understand client satisfaction and reputation. Communication skills. Your lawyer should be responsible, transparent, and easy to communicate with. Okay. And question you need to ask a lawyer: how many cases like mine you have handled? What is your success rate? You will handle my case indirectly or indirectly. Who will handle? Uh, what are the expected timelines? What fees costs should I expect? How to search the best lawyer near you? So use Google search with relevant keyword. Check legal directories and website. Ask for referrals of friends and families. Reviews for local bar association things. Here you can see all the completed data. Now the let's back at the conclusion. Here we see choosing the right personal injury lawyer uh, near you is a critical decision that can impact your financial recovery and overall experience. By considering factors like experience, reputation, and communication, you can find who truly represent your best interest. Take your time, do thorough research, and don't hesitate to ask questions. With the right approach, you will able to Hire the best injury lawyers near you and secure your compensation that you deserve. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, SureClaim Legal, for the best experience you will need. Bye for now. Take care. See you in the next video. Take care.